Stay here. Okay, we're with the Mr. Chaco. Mr. Chaco, don't you know that you're like a silent operator in the league?
Yeah.
Because crucial free throws and triples also, you done it. Okay. What, any word po, any word po. Any word, please, any word. Okay.
So I'm very happy we work for that.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm really excited.
And hopefully also another season also you'll be back also to defend up the title also.
Strong, better strong.
Okay, thank you sir. Thank you. Thank you very much. Mr. Chaco, that's Mr. Chaco po. Thank you. And this is Dante, the main band. Mr. Dante, any word, Mr. Dante?
Yes, sir.
Again, mission accomplished with Jane also. Come in the photo, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Jane and Dante, okay. Any word for Mr. Dante and Jane?
First and foremost, I would thank the organizers, PSBQ, all the facilitators, refs, you especially.
Okay, thank you.
All the highlights.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you for everything. It was a good game and delivered.
Okay, that's again. I hope you will be back again to defend your crown for sure in the next season. Thank you very much. Jane also, good luck on that. Thank you. And Bakay, ito sa wakas sa hulita. Mr. Bakay, let's flashback po tayo. Game number 2 for sure. Kayo pumutok po kayo doon talaga. Teka lang ha. Yeah, pumutok po kayo doon talaga. Game number 2 pa lang. Again, the same intensity. Nakita namin talaga to, sinigaw mo na talaga si Ijas talaga.
Nakafocus na ako sa lahat. Tapos, aim talaga naming manalo.
Sige sir.
Aim talaga naming manalo
Okay.
para umabot ng game 3. Inausap ko sila, pinotivate ko sila. This is our last game. So, we need to make it as well as we can. Yes. Yun na yun. Binigay nila yung best nila, pati best ko binigay natin. Very well.
And also, any points of concern when they start to catch up to you? Did they get already catching up already? Any concern already raised? Are you get rattled already? Or for sure, you have a champion record? Hindi kayo narattle talaga nun.
Hindi naman siya nararating pero nandun yung pressure.
O talaga, nandun talaga. Lalo yung last 5 seconds.
Pero, stay focused kami dun sa goal namin na stop the defense.
Stop the ball as much as possible. Okay, thank you sir, thank you. Mr. Bakay, hoping next season makita muli po kayo ha. Coach Bakay, maraming salamat po.
Chaco!
Okay. Okay. Okay, Sir Maruf, please. Okay. Mr. Maruf, Okay. Mr. Maruf, congratulations for again, job well done for Alforno.
Thank you very much.
And also for sure, as a coach of the season, congratulations also for steering the team from day number 1 up to this final day. Any words, sir? For sure, many pressures already. You mark somebody also to in the other team also to make a defense also.
Today,
Thank you. Okay.
today with this game, mainly I want to appreciate the way you have conducted this tournament.
Okay, that's good. Thank you.
We have been playing many tournaments, as you already know, but one thing which stands out over here is you guys take the game very seriously, and even when you are officiating, because we are one of the few teams which is not Filipino.
Yeah, also, yes.
And we feel you are trying to be as far as possible, and we really appreciate it.
Anyway, sir, for sure, I want to see now. We want to see Alforno next season, correct? For sure, inshallah. Okay, we did, sir. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you very much.
For sure, congratulations. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay, that's Alforno po. Final photos po tayo. Coaching staff naman, yan ha. Kailangan ko coach. Okay, ito na po ha. Yan po ha. Ito po ang coaching staff po. Sige, ito. Son! You're tired? You're tired? Okay, take it. Ricky, tapos na. Baki, tapos na. Okay. Chaco, tapos na rin. Ato. Hindi, Chaco, tapos rin. Si, ano, ito lang. Rijas. Congratulations, Mr. Rijas. Also, job well done also. Any word, sir, please? Any word, please. How do you feel? Okay, we want for sure next season you have to come back to defend the title, right? Okay, congratulations, Mr. Rijas. Thank you. Job well done. Okay, that concludes now. Ito po, natapos na po tayo. Again, another season, another blood, new battles muli po next season. Thank you very much po. Okay, that's thank you very much po sa lahat po. And of course, okay, before we go, maraming salamat po. Kumi! Okay. Okay, ito po. Yan. Of course, along with the business manager na po. Ito, tapos na po tayo. Son. Final word na lang, Son. Kung may Aison, again po, job well done po sa PSBQ Basketball League talaga. For sure, binigyan mo na talaga yung fans natin talaga. Isang matinding laro na nail-biting, gut-wrenching po talaga, sir. Ngayon, sir, ito tanong, what to expect now on the next season na? For sure, meron kang plano talaga na next season po natin.
Sa mga sumusuporta po sa PSBQ.
Sige po.
Okay. Wait po, 5 minutes.
Sige, 5 minutes pa. Sige, 5 minutes. Okay. Balik tayo. Okay, balik tayo. Now, for sure, natapos yung isang matinding liga mo, Class D plus 3 imports. Diba? Ngayon, what to expect now for sure? Alcorn will come back to defend your title for sure. And the next season now, what to expect now for the fans of PSBQ Basketball?
Unang-una nagpapasalamat po ako sa mga sumusuporta sa PSBQ, sa mga teams na sumasali, and sa mga players din. Isa lang naman po yung goal ko sa PSBQ. Ibalik ang totoong spirit ng basketball ng Pilipino.
Okay.
Pagdating sa mga liga.
Okay.
So,
Sige, tuloy ito.
kung napapansin po ninyo, unti-unting lumilevel up yung unti-unting lumilevel up yung division natin sa PSBQ.
Okay, para ito, hindi tayo rin po buhos to eh. Buhos tournament. May mga talento talaga. Yung talento talaga.
Binabalik natin yung kalayaan ng mga player na makapaglaro sa
Regardless kung anong skill level mo talaga.
Oo, depende sa kalidad talaga, pero hangga't maaari, gusto ko makalaro na lahat sa liga ng basketball ang mga players natin.
Tsaka mo, kung what to expect now, si Alforna, almost an all-Indian team, pero tingin mo, pero na sila nag-champion. They got the moves, they got the highlights also.
Ayun, nagpapasalamat din ako sa thank you so much Team Alforno to joining with us, and
along with Janas also giving a great game talaga.
maraming salamat din of course sa Janas from the start. Ang team niya na lagi nakasupport ng PSBQ at sumasali. And sa Team Alforno, hopefully we will see you again the next season.
And when is the next season now, sir?
We will announce.
Okay, just wait for now, sir, for new blood, new battles po natin po.
We have to take a rest because grabe yung laban, matindi, sobrang nakita nyo naman, isa lang ang lamang.
Yan ang magandang photo finish talaga, photo finish na laro talaga.
Once again, thank you so much sa mga supporters ng PSBQ, sa mga players. And of course, kay Arvin Guerrero.
Arvin G. Vlog po.
And sobrang thankful ako sa mga
stakeholders po natin.
BP, yan, lahat po yan. Maraming salamat.
Of course, nandiyan po si Marlica Cargo, Marlica Kusiyan.
Marlica Cargo, GPHPB,
yan.
HB Kids. From the start,
si Luxury Beshanti.
Luxury Beshanti. And Marlica Cargo, Stefan Sigurado, Janas Gourmet, and McDonald's.
DJ Jana, McDonald's Qatar.
And sana makita-kita po ulit tayo sa mga susunod na season soon. And thank you so much po. Abangan.
Okay, muli po, again, we will be back again for another great basketball action.
Once again, congratulations. The new champion,
Alforno!
Alforno team. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
With mo maraming salamat Sir Aison. With in behalf of Arvin G Vlogs also and even to Horizon Vlogs channel. Maraming salamat po muli po sa pag-tap niyo po sa akin po bilang commentator po ng ligang ito. Again,
Thank you so much, Arvin.
we'll be back again po tayo another season. New blood, new battles muli po tayo sa ating PSBQ Basketball League.
BSBQ.
Ang liga
You're
naman
the
sika.
star.
Yeah, you're the star. Okay. Sa kanya po, you're the persama. Ang liga naman sika, ito po ang PSBQ Basketball. Maraming salamat po. See you and God bless. Thank you.